In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access or log into your YouTube Studio account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to access or to log into your YouTube Studio account on your computer, it is pretty simple. First, go ahead and click on this account icon to log in or to sign into YouTube. Now for this, you need to sign in with the email that you used to create your YouTube channel. Now once you get here, there are two ways you can access YouTube Studio. In the first method, just click on your profile icon here, and then from here you will see we have this option called YouTube Studio. If you click on it, this will take you direct to your channel's YouTube Studio, and from here you can now begin creating content or making any changes on your YouTube channel. So that is the first method to access YouTube Studio. In the second method, once you are on YouTube, go ahead and click on your videos. So if you click on your videos, this will again take you direct to YouTube Studio. And now, as you can see here, we are on YouTube Studio, and therefore you can begin your uploads. So that's how you can access YouTube Studio on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.